How to create a filter in Grispy. On the Grispy main screen, click on the Settings button on the left side. Then select the Filters area. Click on the Add Filter button in the upper right corner. We choose the appropriate title for our filter. Then we can add a description for the people who use our filter from the section just below. The description we add should explain the features and scope of our filter. Under Who Can See, we select the most appropriate option for the filter from the options Visible Only for Me, Visible for all users, or Visible for selected users and groups. With these selections, you can add both users and groups to ensure that the right users see your filter. When you add conditions under the heading All conditions must be met for filtering the requests from the Conditions field. The requests that meet each condition you enter are filtered and listed. We have selected the request creation date data to determine the date ranges suitable for the filter. By marking between dates, we can specify the start and end date as day, month, year and time. Since we want to filter new customers this month in the filter we are organizing, we select the entire date range from the first day of the month until today. Thanks to Grispy's advanced calendar field, you can also select hours and minutes. By adding the status condition, we can choose which status the request in the filter should be in. Status less than this request is solved. When we edit it as solved, it lists the steps before the solved status in the filter. By adding the form condition, we can choose which form the request we want to view is filled with. Only requests from the membership account form will be displayed in this filter. The other condition we added is the sales stage condition in the demand field in the demands. The demands whose sales stage, negotiated, appointment received option is checked will be displayed on this filter. We have defined the criteria that we want all the conditions we have added to be met in the requests to be listed. Now we will define the condition fields that we want any of the requests to be listed to meet any condition. If the word meet is mentioned in the subject of the incoming request, it will add these requests to our filter. We can have faster information about the request notification by entering the columns we want to see in the details section of the request in the filter screen from the listing options area at the bottom. We can quickly view this information in the request listing area by selecting the request creation date and form columns. Our new filter creation process has been completed. By following these steps, you can make filters according to your request flow and personalize your request management. You can add special filtering conditions for each data entry in the request form.